Let's be real, mamas. Strutting into a massive convention center in high heels, a sharp blazer, and a designer tote is exhausting enough. Add pumping ounces of liquid gold into the mix every 3 hours, and it can feel like a total corporate nightmare. But you are a powerhouse executive, and your breastfeeding journey shouldn't stop you from crushing that keynote or networking like an absolute boss. Today, we are spilling the tea on the ultimate pumping hacks for working moms at corporate conferences, so you can stay bougie, keep your supply up, and rule the boardroom without breaking a sweat. Welcome back to Milky Way Travels, your ultimate space for navigating motherhood with a luxury aesthetic. We know you are out there building empires, taking vacations, and living your best life, but traveling for work while pumping takes a whole new level of strategy. Grab your iced matcha and let's get into it. First up, let's talk gear, because your regular, clunky pump bag is not going to cut it in a room full of Fortune 500 CEOs. You need high-end, cordless wearable pumps like the Willow or LV. These are absolute game changers for conferences. Slip them right into your blazer, and you can literally pump while sitting in the front row of a panel discussion or answering emails at the charging station. Pair them with a sleek Sears chill that looks like an expensive water bottle. It slips beautifully into your Prada tote, keeping your liquid gold perfectly chilled for over 20 hours without screaming to the world that you are carrying breast milk. Next, let's lock down your conference logistics like a total VIP. Do not wait until you arrive to find a place to express milk. Weeks before the event, email the conference coordinator and request access to the lactation room or VIP lounge. A lot of high-end convention centers have beautiful, private mama pods or dedicated mothers' rooms equipped with premium seating and outlets. Also, call your luxury hotel ahead of time. Request a medical fridge upgrade for your room to store your stash, and look into a service like Milk Stock. They will overnight your frozen milk back home in high-tech, cooled packaging so you don't have to lug 50 ounces through TSA airport security. It costs a few extra bucks, but the peace of mind is worth every single penny. Finally, you need to master the art of the calendar block. Treat your pumping sessions like non-negotiable, million-dollar meetings. Block out 30-minute windows in your digital calendar across all time zones so colleagues see you are busy. If someone tries to schedule a last-minute networking coffee during your time, simply tell them you have a hard stop. You don't owe anyone an explanation. Remember, you can still attend the evening cocktail hours and power dinners. Just slip your wearables in before the appetizers arrive, and you can network seamlessly while maintaining your schedule. Crushing your corporate career while nourishing your baby is the ultimate flex. If you want more real talk on balancing high-end travel, career goals, and motherhood, hit that subscribe button right now. Give this video a thumbs up, and drop a comment below telling us your favorite corporate travel hack. Thanks for hanging out with Milky Way Travels, and we will see you in the next one. Keep shining, mamas.